I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your girl Merle, and I'm back with another vegan substitute. I don't know how I feel about this. We're gonna be making hot dogs out of carrots. I know, that's probably the most vegan thing I have ever said in my life. I'm as skeptical as you probably are, but I do have hope for this recipe because I've seen it done by some seriously respectable vegan influencers. One of which is the one and only Tabitha Brown. Come on. With that, let's make this vegan hot dog. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our carrots and we're just gonna slice the tops and the bottoms off just like a ½ inch. Then we're gonna go around the whole carrot, peeling the skin so that it's smooth all the way around. This will help to make it look more like a hot dog. Okay, so now that we've got our carrots all smooth and hot doggy, we are going to take our scraps and what are we gonna do with them? That's right, we're gonna compost them. Don't you dare put that in the waste rubbish. Waste rubbish? Don't you dare put that in the trash bin. I don't even say trash bin in real life. I don't know where these words are coming from. My love affair with hot dogs goes way back. I used to work at a golf course. One thing I used to eat every day, because I had a comp lunch, was their super deluxe hot dog. I know what a good hot dog tastes like. I know what a bad hot dog tastes like. I used to eat gas station hot dogs, where like the expiration date for the bun is like 50 years in the future. So I used to really love hot dogs. I'm gonna be a real judge. Doesn't matter if I don't eat them anymore. I still remember. I've seen these carrot dogs prepared 2 different ways. One way is the way Tabitha does it, and the way I'm gonna do it, because it's quicker, which is to just make a marinade and boil the carrots right in the marinade. I've also seen people boil the carrots and then let them marinade for like anywhere from an hour to overnight. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't feel like waiting. So let's make our marinade. So first we're gonna add in 2 cups of water. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of amino acids or soy sauce, some liquid smoke, A1 sauce, or any steak sauce, as long as it's vegan, agave or maple syrup, and some ketchup. I'm gonna additionally add some garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Then we're gonna boil our carrots in the marinade for about anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. We just don't want them to get too soft. If they're still too hard, you can continue to boil them for up to 10 more minutes. It really depends on the size and the thickness of the carrot. I poured some cold water over my carrots to stop them from cooking completely, because I saw that Edgy Veg did that, and I thought that was a really good idea, because I know we don't want these to get mushy. So we're gonna let the marinade cool down for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna let the carrots marinate in the marinade for about 20 more minutes. Then it's time to dress these puppies up. Oh my gosh, you know, I just had the cutest thought. What if we add mini baby carrots? They could be like little mini dogs. What are those called? Hot Pop? Definitely not Hot Pups. I just thought of a brilliant hack so that you don't have to wait so long for your marinade to cool down. I'm in a good mood today. I just put the marinade in the freezer. Duh! Why didn't I think of that right off the bat? That way we don't have to wait like 20 to 30 minutes for it to cool down. So you can put it in the fridge or you can put it in the freezer so it'll cool down quicker. That's all. I'm curious about this marinade. I'm like, how much magic can really be in this marinade? I'm gonna try it. Like, what is the essence of a hot dog? It tastes like baked beans, which I don't hate, but wow, that is like spot on baked beans. Maybe that'll translate with the sweetness of the carrot to a hot dog. I don't know. I like it. I'm just a little surprised. And then dress it the way you would your favorite hot dog. I'm gonna use some relish, some onions, and some ketchup. All right, I got my hot dogs right here. And if they taste anywhere near as good as they look, we're in business. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Oh, okay, it's a hot dog. I have a lot of thoughts. First, it's good. I'm honestly really impressed. I will say, compared to my expectations for this, it has exceeded my expectations. The marinade is awesome. Is it 100% a hot dog? No, it's not 100% of a hot dog, but it gets really close and it definitely knows hot dogs. You know what I mean? Like, it's met a hot dog or 2 in its day. I knew Tabitha wouldn't steer me wrong. I'd really be curious to see like how long it would take a meat eater to kind of suss out that this was a carrot.
I will say, I'm gonna warn you right off the bat, I'm not a big fan of carrot. I only really like it when it's shredded or if it's pickled, like in a banh mi. Whole carrot like this, that's good. Well, I'm just gonna take a little bite of it. It is a carrot, right?
It is a carrot, yes.
Not as bad as I thought it would be. It's softer than a regular carrot, so it doesn't have it's not crunchy, which is good because I don't like the crunch of a carrot. I'm not a rabbit. And when I saw it, it looked like a practical joke at first, just like, you know, it's a carrot in place of a hot dog. It's not bad. I don't even eat hot dogs very often, but when I do like them, I like the bite, the juiciness. If you were to taste it blind, you wouldn't think it's a carrot. So that's a good start, right? Okay, so in terms of just overall taste, a 5. Just keep it down, it's right down the middle. We're gonna go to Coney Island, and you're gonna sell these around Coney Island for the people there.
Let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Woo! I don't know how to end this for some reason. I've done this a million times, don't know how to end it.